Hi, I'm Casey, product specialist with EarthWay products, and today we're going to unbox the 2170 from EarthWay. It's a 150-pound walk-behind spreader. We're going to pull it out of the box and see what all the components are to putting it together. So let's go ahead and get started. Looks like we've got a gearbox, the impeller, that's what the material spreads on. We've got two of the upper handle grips right here. We've got a hardware pack. I'm going to open that up in a second. One of the handle components. Looks like we've got the axle and shut-off assembly. We've got the main part of the chassis. It goes on the hopper. Two of the chassis components here. We've got our hopper grate. And we've got instructions and the hopper itself. It's a nice high quality piece. You've got the tires. And these are the support pieces. So this is going to go over here with the lower handles for the tires there. We've got the hardware and outer bearings. That's going to go with the lower support pieces. This is the hopper hardware that attaches the hardware, the hopper to the support there. These are going to be the bolts that are used for the handles, so I'm going to put those right there. This is the inner bearings and tire attachment hardware, so I'm going to set this right here next to that. And it looks like this is for the solid linkage, so I'm going to hold off on that. So this is the middle support for the chassis, so I'm going to put that there. This is the axle that goes with the gearbox, and it's also going to go in between the tires. So we'll put this with the gearbox and the impeller. This is part of the shutoff handle and solid linkage parts. These are going to hook together. So I'm going to put these here. The diamond chassis handle shaft. Now the label says caution, very sharp, and you can already tell that there are some very sharp edges to this, so you need to be very, very careful when opening this. So this will be the handle components that fit together here. Well, these are all the parts that come in the box. There's another video on earthway.com that will show you how to assemble all these parts to get your finished unit, as well as the key features and benefits of this spreader. Go to earthway.com for that. My name's Casey, your product specialist. Thanks again, appreciate it.